COUNTIF in Microsoft Excel. We're trying to get shoes for our staffs in the workplace. Now, each staff has a different shoe size as shown in this spreadsheet. But the thing is that the shoe sizes are mixed up according to the size that are required by each of the staff, like John Carter needing small, Mary Collins needing medium, and David Wilson needing large. So in this case, we're going to be using COUNTIF to determine the total number of people that need small size, medium size, and large size. So let's get started. So for us to work with this formula, we come over to this place that we want to get the exact value and start by typing the equality sign and write COUNTIF. Now, COUNTIF is a conditional counting which will specify a particular key that we want to count out for. In this case, we want to check out the number of staffs that needs a shoe size that is small, and then we'll also check the number of size that needs a medium shoe size, and then we'll also check the number of staffs that needs a large shoe size. So for the first one, we write equal to COUNTIF and then select the area which is the shoe sizes. So I'll come over here to select everything, and then I'll put a comma, and then I'll select the key. So we're counting for people that need small shoe size. We click on the key, so you close the brackets and then hit enter. So you see that 6 people needs small shoe size. If you repeat the same process for medium, you can just come over here and just type the same thing, which is equal to COUNTIF, open your bracket, select the shoe sizes, everything again, then come over to this point. After writing your comma, then click on the medium and close your bracket, hit enter. You show that 8 people needs medium shoe size. Now we cannot calculate everything, so all we just have to do here is drag it down so it will do automatic calculation for us, and that is how to use COUNTIF in Microsoft Excel. Now if you check it out, we have a total of 20 staffs, and if you check it out here, 6 people need small, 6 people need large. That's a total of 12 plus 8 people that needs medium. That makes it a total of 20 staffs. I hope you learned something from this video. I urge you to like and subscribe to this channel for more.